Today, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how I patch up holes in my down jackets. But to begin with, have you seen one of these before? This may be one of the most useful repair kits that us hikers can buy today. It costs a whopping £15 and it is absolutely brilliant at patching up holes in down jackets, as well as other things. But that'll be a video in the future. So I bought this repair kit about 12 months ago, and I have used it a lot on one of my North Face down jackets that has feathers that are just constantly trying to escape. Here are multiple patches that I've put onto that down jacket about 12 months ago, and as you can see, they are stronger than ever. They are in absolutely tip-top condition. Links to the patch repair kit that I use are gonna be down in the description below. So let's jump in on how to fix these holes. Start off by spreading your jacket onto a level table. Next, it's time to flatten out the area that needs repairing. And if the feathers or the synthetic down from your jacket have started to leak, then use a pair of scissors or the back of a pen to push them gently back into the jacket. The more down that you get back into your jacket, the warmer it is gonna be. So take your time on this and get as much in as possible. Next up, you need to choose a patch that fits the size of the hole that's on your jacket. It's very simple, guys. The bigger the hole, the bigger the patch. Now, push the material down and bring the two sides of the tear together. And it is now time to start to put that patch onto the hole itself. And ideally, you want to keep the material as taut as possible because you don't really want any folds underneath the patch itself. Now that you've placed your patch, now just massage it into place and make sure that it is sealed on all sides. Okay, so the final step is a bit of a strange one. You want to fold the patch every which way so that the material patch itself is as relaxed as possible. It's important that this patch is able to flex and just move wherever the jacket takes it. So fold the patch in half, ball it up, just get it used to being moved around. Bringing a sheet of these like down jacket patches would be so handy on a through hike. You could easily carry a small sheet of these everywhere you go because they literally weigh nothing. Then if your sleeping bag or your down jacket rips, then you can easily repair it while you're still out on the trail. And plus, you could be on the lookout any other feather trails that are coming from other hikers, and you could be, their saving grace. You can fix up their jackets while you're on the trail. It's a great way to make some friends. Once again, links to this product are down in the description below. Next, check out my Patagonia refurbishment video where I bring a sun-bleached baseball cap back to its former glory. Check this video out next.